Vinny's been driving side by side in the winter time, and I was like, dude, first thing you need is a windshield because it's cold outside and you need to be protected. So I already got the roof back a little bit. So if you want to flip that sucker around, yep, there you go. Tops on the top, there we go. And so it'll kind of sit in this groove right here.
Oh, look who has the camera.
Oh boy.
Oh.
I can't wait till you see the video. So we did a farm day video. If you guys missed it, you need to go check it out because Vinny had the camera for some recording. Honestly, your four-wheeler rollers were cleaner of the ones of me than they were of you. Yeah. I was like, dang, you got some good shots.
Yeah, baby.
It was awesome.
That's my pilot skills. This rig is sick, dude. Look at this thing. It's so cool looking, just in general. I love the like Aventador pipe in the back, the mini.
Oh yeah.
If you guys don't know, this was Haley Deegan's UTV that we convinced Mark to buy. Goodbye, Mark. So I guess we could say it was a wedding gift for her.
Absolutely.
And then we got Cale in here getting tools. Dude, it's so funny. I'll be online and like people will come see the garage and I get like the hater comments. Those are always fun. And they'll be like, look at this tool. He's the only tool in his garage. And I'm like, bro, there's a closet. There's a closet full of tools. But you guys are just, anyway, so we're in the garage. This is why Miller can't give me his camera. So today, we're not gonna mess with any of these. So I think we're gonna give Cale a ride in that. We're gonna have Miller drive the Cobra today. It's warmed up a little. We might take that or that. Might take the Camaro because, I don't know. What do you think we should drive to tacos? I think Cobra?
Yeah. Oh God, I'm gonna be freezing. Daytona Coupe or, no.
I almost thought about taking the Camaro. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
Perfect.
Maybe GT500 Camaro. Have you ridden in a new GT500?
No, I haven't.
Oh, dude.
Oh,
it's probably my favorite car of all time.
I get options. If I had the choice, I'd do the one that matches my shirt.
We may have already determined that for you.
We already kind of talked about that.
So he knows I'm a vintage car guy.
This is a service with a smile. I've got the smile, they've got the service. Here's the deal. We cannot do aerodynamic headlight installation.
Should we do this before or after we go to lunch? Like, how long is this process gonna take? That's the
okay, question. I'm gonna tell you it's only a few bolts and then it's gonna end up taking like 4 hours.
There is a joke. Everybody loses their 10 millimeter.
Everybody.
So if you look at tool bins, this one is usually gone.
It's the most like commonly used.
Look, there's not a 10 wrench.
Oh look.
I have a business idea. Why don't we make a kit like this that only comes with 10 millimeter?
So it's funny, I went to a car show
Is there?
And as party gifts, they gave out like a pack of 10 millimeter, like in different,
you gotta be kidding me.
Quarter drive, 3/8 drive, like it was great.
There's like a special case you can get for just a 10 millimeter that you set somewhere else just so you don't lose that one.
I love that I got stuck with the camera guy role. I'm the camera guy.
Everything on this car should be American, so not.
Oh, we can get everything from right here, dude.
Yeah.
So what we'll do is take the, look, and then we'll just, do that.
Yeah, we'll do that. Oh, I'm gonna come grab the other headlight while they do that. So, I don't have anything to plug to you other than this hat. If you want one of these hats, go to the description. They're pretty cool. They fit well. Anytime you do a car mod, it's always the smallest, most insignificant, you think mod.
But then when you get it done and you're like, oh, it's all come together.
It makes the biggest difference. This was always the sore thumb. I think I've said it on this video already, but this was always the sore thumb is these headlights. Because they just, this classic look on the front end with those headlights just doesn't fit the Ghost look. You guys are the best, man. How did I get stuck not doing any of the work?
Because we're gonna send you the invoice.
Yeah. Shit.
The invoice is test ride.
Yeah, well, we're gonna do that, that's for sure. Man, you're really getting in there.
Oh yeah. Sweet. One down, 17 and a half to go.
So there's only 4 actually, which is kind of nice. Because there's this one, and then there's 2 more on that side, that's it.
I like how they're blacked out. Everything's blacked out.
Costco, dude.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah, it was like 120 bucks for this set a while back, and then I couldn't find it again.
I can see clearly now.
You're totally getting a copyright violation for that.
Are you saying?
It sounded so good.
Thanks. God.
Maybe we should have used the wrench.
Buddy, tighten.
Is it working?
What's his name?
Daryl?
Daryl, tighten that sucker down.
Pretty strong dude. Oh, I saw a bolt fall. It's right there. It's literally hanging on. Oh, nice. Oh, are all the bolts out?
Yes.
Watch, there's like hidden bolts somewhere, and we didn't really think this through. Like a glove.
Like a glove.
Dude, he made that from scratch. That's sick.
Okay,
Yeah.
so we gotta keep these.
That is not a stock
Oh,
item.
they're stuck
They're
on.
glued on. That's awesome.
Now it's got a classic look of a Camaro. I really don't like that look, which is the funny part. All right, so this part, now what would be funny is if like there was some like trick to getting these headlights off, we couldn't figure it out.
No, it's just the bezel. Should be the bezel.
Oh my.
Flatheads.
Holy moly,
Here, you want me
Daryl.
to try that?
Oh, we just getting taken.
Just
We don't have to
these.
take these off.
No.
No, because this is the mount.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
So probably
bezel's
this,
the only thing that holds these in.
this really? Dude, that's nothing.
The other screws, these hold a bucket in, and then there's adjuster screws right here at the top. If you want to tilt your.
So we're gonna have to probably adjust once we put, maybe.
Maybe. What
We'll
we could
put
do
the
is-
garage door down and, yep.
Oh, it works.
Hit your turn signal, your left turn signal.
I want to see the light first.
That's oh, my
Oh,
God.
dude,
that's laser.
oh shit.
Yeah, they're bright.
I wonder, so you think the bottom is the high beam?
Yeah,
that's
dude.
what we're thinking. The big
Jesus, I
projector.
can't see anything now.
Yeah, that's right.
Do not look directly at the sun. It's on the, yeah, it's on the foot. Nice.
Holy moly! I can feel the heat right here.
Let's see.
You can feel the
You
warmth.
have daylight coming out of these things.
Oh my God!
Got him.
I lost my eyesight.
Or maybe we can just wing it. You don't think so?
No, you're gonna need
Can we see the back of that one? Oh,
Damn,
it's
we got
way
so
bigger.
close.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's way
So
bigger.
close. Oh no, do we need to get a new bucket?
I would just trim the bucket.
So the new plan is we're gonna go to Cale shop after lunch, get a step bit and a Dremel, so we can kind of, this headlight is giving us a little issue. The back of the new headlight's a little thicker than the old one. So this has a bunch of cooling like ledges on it and everything like that. This one is much smaller on the rear, probably because it's not pushing out as much heat. This one is pretty bright.
So we're gonna have to clearance. We've scuffed it a little bit. We're gonna have forced places on each of these, hopefully only 4, that will clearance out. It'll fit and the bezel will go on top and hold it in place.
That's what we're hoping for. It's plug and play, so we're all good, but that's the old. And here's the new right there. So much more sinister. All right, should you do a cold start?
You're gonna do a
yeah,
give it to
Cale.
Cale.
Here you
Cale,
go,
we're
Cale.
switching.
Oh,
Here,
nice.
I'll tell you what, I'll start this one. You start this one.
Clear prop. All right.
I'm driving, right?
Oh.
Which side?
Which side? Right-hand drive, right?
Man, that thing looks so good on a dusty road.
It looks so
Look at that.
You'll notice too, when you ride in that car, it's gonna feel very similar to this,
Yeah,
except with no top.
yeah. It's like a little chilly.
Oh yeah.
You have heat and AC in this thing.
Uh-huh.
That's awesome.
So does that.
Really?
Uh-huh.
Oh man, yeah, you can daily these. I'm so surprised at how low we are and how comfortable this ride is. And we're on a very bumpy road, lots of potholes, and this is soaking them up. This is really smooth. I wonder if
He's so happy.
I wonder if his ears are freezing. Oh yeah, he just put his hoodie on.
That Cobra does have quite the presence. I've never followed it before. It's got a great back end.
It really does.
I love that we're driving. Let's see, it's 45 degrees. It just sits in that spot.
Wow.
It just wants to just
Yes.
crouch and go.
Going shitting and getting. Oh man. Yeah, she just dropped the rear. Man,
Oh yeah.
that is amazing. Oh boy, how could you not smile?
Oh, totally.
There's nothing to make a man feel like a kid again other than acceleration.
Dude, so
How
many
much does this thing weigh?
2,800.
2,800.
Yeah.
See,
It's probably
that's-
about 580 horsepower, somewhere around there.
So that's, everybody talks about, oh man, you gotta have 1,000 horsepower. No, you get 500 something, 600 horsepower out of a car that weighs 2,800, you're going just as fast as a 1,000 horsepower, 6,000 pounds.
So imagine this, the GT40 is actually higher horsepower and 2,300 pounds. And mid-engine. All that power gets put down, dude.
Man.
So imagine now, like, what that would be like.
Yeah,
Whole
this is
different ball
quick.
game.
What gear was that pull-in that we did?
It's just second.
Wow.
Yeah.
It felt like first. Like it was
Yeah.
digging.
Here, you can get some of him on that thing.
What's up?
So awesome. Sounds so good.
It sounds amazing.
Oh my God, that was so cool. Ready, Cale?
Oh my gosh. Yes. I'm so pumped. Dude.
They're actually
Look at this little door.
I know, it's just a little baby door.
Yeah.
north of 300, let's put it that way.
Gets me every time.
Oh, I love that.
it.
That's amazing. Dude, there's nothing that sounds better. Wow.
That did not feel like sexy. Here, back into that car looks good. Glad it's barely warm enough to get this car out today.
Yeah, it is just on the edge of being warm.
It's almost so nice outside. 10 degrees warmer would be perfect.
Yeah, but it's perfectly sunny. And actually, I'm not that cold right now.
It's not bad, no.
I can't tell if it's the adrenaline or if it's just
A little bit of both.
Dude, I'm so thankful that you know what you're doing. Right, what do we got going on over here?
All right, so we're doing some modifications to another car for some other reason.
Are those the 67 headlights?
Yes, but it looks so much better on this car.
I'm gonna pop on a light.
We thought, like, if we're not buying out, if we're doing one, what do you think about that, Reese? Is that bright?
Dude,
Look at
that looks dope.
so
Look
much
how
better.
bright it is on the plastic.
Yeah, crazy, right?
Lighter than
Modification on another car, might as well go ahead and swap some more stuff around.
Yeah,
More
why
of a
not?
project, why not?
Yeah, it's fun.
So,
look how big.
Dude, they do look rad.
they look
The big.
And since it's a Mark IIIR, it goes with like the modern feel.
absolutely
Dope. All right, Kale, I'm gonna go grab you one of those things.
sweet. So, all right.
So dope, dude. Thank you so much.
So,
All right, so you're gonna have to wait for part 2. We ran into a little snag. Kale's gonna take these home tonight and cut these up. We'll get those installed, and then we'll get this thing over to street side as soon as he's done. So, yeah,
See
it's
if
pretty
that-
exciting.
Oh, and see if that that strawberry red 51 is through,
Dude,
fell through or
if
not.
that fell through,
Dude,
there might be a new car in here. Did we show him?
a new truck. I don't.
What are you looking at?
Wait. Oh, we didn't even tell. Oh my God.
Okay, we're gonna tell him. We're not gonna tell you yet. Oh, you already saw it.
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna show Kale now.
All right. sweet.